In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data in a table, separating multiple entries, or just want your spreadsheet to look clean and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Chrome browser and go to Google Sheets. Click on the grid icon in the top right corner and select Sheets from the drop-down menu. Once your document is open, locate the cell you want to split. For this example, I'm using a table where we want to split a cell in the Cricut section into 3 separate cells. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, select the cell, hover over Merge Cells, and then select Unmerge. You'll notice that the cell has been unmerged, but the data still remains in the first cell. To separate the data, click on the cell, go to the formula bar, and navigate to the second entry using the down arrow key on your keyboard. Select the text you want to move, cut it by pressing Ctrl+X, then select the next cell and paste it with Ctrl+V. Repeat this process for the third piece of data so each entry now has its own cell. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your cells have enough space, double-check that your data is properly cut and pasted, and remove any extra spaces in the original cell. Doing this beforehand ensures that your table looks neat and prevents misalignment issues later. Once you've completed these steps, you might notice that the first cell is still bigger than the others. Simply double-click the cell, delete the extra spaces, and then click outside the cell to finalize the split. To finish, select the cells, click on the Borders icon in the toolbar, and choose All Borders to clearly define each cell. After that, you should be able to see your cell split horizontally with all data neatly organized. It's also a good idea to double-check your table for any leftover formatting or spacing issues. This keeps everything consistent and clean. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with Google Sheets. Why not make someone's day easier?